guys and girls and fellow Keyblade builders. Today I'm going to make a super cheap anti-form Sora. So for a base I'm going to use this Diamond Select Sora figure. You can generally pick these up really cheap, whether brand new or second hand. I got this one for under £10. So to start with, I'm going to use my rotary tool to shave down the hair to make it a little bit more spiked, as at the moment it's quite blobby looking, and I want the anti-form Sora to have a sharp look to it. So here's Sora with his new extra spiky hair, and it's also given him blonde highlights, which is kind of a look. The next step, of course, is to base coat the whole figure in black. And there you go, that's the whole figure done. No, just kidding. I'm sure we can make this look a little bit more like anti-form Sora. So anti-form Sora from Kingdom Hearts 2 has these blue highlights along the black in certain places. So I'm following a design that I found on Google of him, and I'm just going to paint them all in this darker blue.
Dreaming. But which parts were the dream?
So that's all the blue highlights done. Now I'm moving on to the hands because I want to make them look slightly more elongated and clawed. The idea in my head is that it will look a bit like a heartless hand. So I'm cutting off the tips of the fingers, sorry Sora. And then I'm going to use silk clay to mould tiny little fingers. And then I'm going to stick those on individually.
How will you fight without a weapon?
I know now I don't need the Keyblade. I've got a better weapon.
That's one hand, and now I'm going to repeat the same process on the other hand.
What good will that weak little thing do for you?
Although my heart may be weak, it's not
I think this definitely makes it look more anti-form. Now I just have to paint them black, although the blue actually looks quite cool.
Just if they become a part of mine. And if they think of me now and then, if they don't forget me, then our hearts will be one. I don't need a weapon. My friends are my power.
Now that the paint's dry, I'm going to add the eyes. I'm going to use 2 yellow jewels for this because I think it will reflect the light really well. And it's finished. It's a really simple and quick craft to do. But you end up getting a cool, unique figure that not many people have. Thank you for watching my video. Let me know what you think. Take care and may your heart be your guiding key.